Hello, my name is Nicole Cole. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a craft, one of my favorite things to do. It's either crafts or painting. That's my two favorite things. Oh, well, and flower. I like it all. So anyway, today we're going to do an Easter craft. This is something that I have been thinking about a while, and so we're going to get started today, and I am super excited. Thank you. Okay, so we're going to start with our bunny rabbit. So this is just a wooden bunny rabbit. He's on a little wooden disc. I had one of my girlfriends, and it looks like she just nailed or stapled this into it. So I kind of showed her what I was looking for, the size and everything. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint one side of the bunny. Now it doesn't have to be exact. I think I'm actually going to go over it with some some brown wax, just to make it look a little more distressed. But we'll play with it and see. So I'm just gonna lay this over on one side. And I have two of these. Oh, wait. Yes. We're gonna do something different on the other side. So just lightly go over it. Like I said, it doesn't have to be exact. Not precise. We want it kind of messy because we're going for that country, or I go for that country look, okay? I have been wanting to do this project for quite some time. I thought about it back at Christmas, and I just got around to doing it. So I couldn't wait to show y'all and share it with you all. So it doesn't matter about the brush strokes. That's not gonna matter. And it doesn't have to be a thick coat. Just slap it on there, okay? I'll show you why. I'm gonna go ahead and paint the base while I've got it on its side. All right, so we've got the back of it painted white. I'm not being precise with it. You can see it looks kind of yucky, but I'm gonna fix it. So the front side has nothing on it. So I picked these napkins up sometime back. I got them at Tuesday morning. And they have all kinds of prints of napkins at Tuesday morning. So my thought is to paint my Mod Podge on the front, and then put my napkin over it. So I'm gonna applique this napkin on the front of my bunny. So let's do that. So just like we've done everything else when we've done Mod Podge, we're gonna put the Mod Podge on first. Yeah, I think I've seen these bunnies on Amazon. I just have a really good friend that does woodwork. So I asked her to make me two of this at this size, because I'm gonna put them in our bedroom. So, all right, so I'm gonna put my piece on there. Just kind of smooth it out. Oh no! Let's try that again. Please stick. I didn't cover all my ears. I still didn't, y'all. All right. So then I'm going to go over the top with Mod Podge, okay? So just going to kind of lightly go over it. this is gonna be really pretty. Get that tail. All right, so I think I'm gonna let that one dry. And we've got another one, so we're gonna do it again together, but we'll let this one dry for now, okay? I'm gonna set that one to the side, and I have this other one, and I've got him going the opposite direction. So I'm gonna paint my Mod Podge on first. Need to make sure that I position my napkin correctly this time. But y'all could do this with anything, anything. I used to think Mod Podge stuff was kind of old lady-ish looking. I guess I'm old lady-ish because I am loving it now. So, all right, so I'm gonna open up my napkin again, and look, it's got two pieces on it. Be sure you get that back piece off, or this one for sure did. And I want to make sure that my pattern's going right side up, and I want to make sure that I get all of my ears. All right. So I'm just gonna paint that over it. I'm so excited. This is gonna be so stinking cute. All right, so I've got both of them painted with the Mod Podge. I'm gonna set that right there because I may need that again. I'm gonna move this one over because I've just finished that one. And let's see, I don't think I wanna cut it because I want it kind of tattered. So I'm hoping, oh yeah. See how it's just tearing off because it's kind of saturated? Yes! Oh no. One of the feet are messed up. But I think we can fix it. Shoot fire. Some areas are working really good, and then some areas aren't. But you see that? See how it tore right there? I think I can just take it and do that. And maybe that. Heck yeah. All right. I do think I'm gonna take a butter knife. Foot. I'm gonna put moss on the bottom, so it's really not gonna matter. So, I may have to fill that in, guys. I'm not liking the look of that. Let me get my Mod Podge. Here I go again. And kind of may just have to layer it. Cover that spot up. That doesn't look bad. Let's get something right here because I've messed up the tail in this little area. And like I said, once it dries, you'll never notice. I don't think. Let's see. Paint over top of it. Look, I think that looks fine. See what I'm going for? Isn't that cute? I think it's sweet. All right, I got a paint right here. I'll paint my napkin over. All right, then I have this up here, and I do think I'm gonna get my scissors. So I have my scissors now. I'm just gonna kind of cut. All the way down between those tight ears right there. And then, I noticed this side is kind of frayed. So I'm gonna take my Mod Podge, load her up again, and kind of push those sides down. I have one spot on my bunny where his legs are kind of parted. So I think I'm going to try to get that out. Let's see if I can do that. So it's right here. How cute, guys. I love it. All right, so I'm gonna finish up on my other one and we'll get back so y'all can see the finished product. But I'm already loving this. So my decoupage has dried and it kind of turned it somewhat brown. You can see that in some of the areas. You see how it turned it brown in these areas? But y'all, I really like it. I think it turned out super, super cute. Now I am gonna add some embellishment on it. I'm gonna do a little bit of moss, some flowers, and I really wanted to use this buffalo plaid, but I didn't like it after I kind of played with it a bit. So I'm gonna get my camera adjusted a little bit more and we'll get started. You can see that better now. All right, so I got me 3 little pieces of moss and I'm just gonna stick them, you know, here and there. Let me move that one over. I did notice some of my tissue has some bubbles in it, but I think it adds more character to it. So I've got my glue gun hot and ready. And I'm just gonna stick a little bit of moss here and there. Now look, if your moss seems to be shedding, and it does quite often, you can spray it with some hairspray. That will alleviate some of that shedding so much, because it sheds bad. Let's see. All right. Then I had some hydrangeas and I cut me just 3 off because I'm trying to keep this super simple. So I'm just gonna glue those. On each one of those greeneries. And I don't want them to be the exact same, okay? So just kind of play with it. You could add all kinds of flowers if you'd like, but I just really wanted mine simple. So there's the base. So now I'm going to add some embellishment around the neck. What I really wanted, and I couldn't find 2 of them, is, y'all know how much I love doilies, but I wanted to do a doily. How sweet is that? Y'all can't see it, but it's super cute. I didn't have enough, or I couldn't find another one. So I had some lace left over from some other projects, and I am just going to, I wanted to do this backwards, but I can't. I'm just going to tie this in a bow tie, excuse me, around the neck. Pull those out because I want to see that it's layered lace. See how sweet? Let's put it on my mantle and see what it looks like. All right, they are on the mantle. Look how cute. Oh, I love them. So y'all could do this with anything, any kind of wood item. You could do cows, you could do chickens. Oh my gosh, that's a great idea, chickens. But I loved this project, and I think they turned out absolutely precious. How fun was that? So today we did 2 little bunnies that went on my mantle, and I love them. And I'll probably leave them out year around. Now they may not stay on my mantle. I'll probably move them here and there. I like to shop my house quite often, move things around. That's what makes it unique. And I just love to move my stuff around, and it makes me feel like I have something new. So y'all have a great day. Enjoy your weekend, and Easter's coming, so y'all better be decorated. Thank y'all.